Dear students, welcome to the today's chemistry class. We are discussing chemical bonding and molecular structure. In the last class we discussed Kozal and Lewis approach to the chemical bonding, Lewis symbols and significance of Lewis symbols and Lewis representation of simple molecules. So in this class, let us discuss what are the rules to be followed while writing Lewis structure of molecules. Rules for writing Lewis structures. Rules for writing Lewis structures. So to write the Lewis structure of molecules, what are the rules to be followed? Number one is total number of electrons. Total number of electrons required to write the Lewis structure are obtained by adding the valence electrons of all the atoms present in the molecule. That is total number of electrons. Total number of electrons required to write. Total number of electrons required to write Lewis structure are obtained by adding valence electrons of all the atoms in the molecule. So to write the Lewis structure of molecule, we require certain number of electrons. That total number of electrons required for writing Lewis structure are obtained by adding the valence electrons of all the atoms present in the molecule. Second one, a negative ion or a negative charge. A negative charge would mean the addition of one electron to the total number of electrons. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ವುಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಯಾನ್ would mean the addition of one electron to the total number of electrons. And a positive ion would mean the subtraction of the subtraction of one electron from the total electrons. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಯಾನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 is, so after knowing total number of electrons of all the atoms present in the molecule, first place the least electronegative atom, place the least electronegative atom at the central position. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಆಟಮ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್, ದಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್. ದಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಿ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಟಮ್ at a central position, at a central position. So the least electronegative atom is placed at a central position. Next, so if you know the least electronegative atom and most electronegative atom and total number of electrons, now distribute the electrons, distribute the total number of electrons around each atom. Distribute the electrons, around each atom. Distribute the number of electrons around each atom in the form of a dots. Distribute the number of electrons around each atom, and account the electrons. First for single bond. So that means the number of electrons are distributed in such a way that first between the two atoms one single pair of electrons are distributed to form a single covalent bond. Still, if we have the number of electrons even after writing a single covalent bond, then those electrons may be used for writing double bond or triple bond or lone pair electrons or non-bonded electrons. First ನಾವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಆಟಮ್ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕೋಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರೋ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದೋಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ and remaining electrons used for multiple bonds. Multiple bonds means double bond or triple bond. Multiple bonds are lone pairs, non-bonded electrons. So these are the rules to be followed to write Lewis structures of simple molecules. Using these rules, let us discuss examples. How to write the Lewis structures of some simple molecules. Lewis representation. hydrogen. H2 molecule. H2 molecule in Lewis structure can be represented as hydrogen molecule can be represented in Lewis structure as say hydrogen molecule is formed by combining two hydrogen atoms. So that one hydrogen atom, one electron, and another hydrogen atom, one electron are combined. One electron pair is present between the two hydrogen atoms. One pair of electrons means one bond, one covalent bond. Okay, next, second one, O2 molecule, oxygen molecule. Valence electrons are one oxygen atom is 6. So distribute those 6 electrons around the oxygen atoms. Another oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons. Now two pairs of electrons are present between two oxygen atoms, and here two oxygen atoms also same electronegative. Next, or it can also be written as O double bond O. Remaining two electron pairs on each oxygen atom are called as lone pair electrons or non-bonded electrons. Okay, next. Third example is ozone. Ozone O3. Ozone or O3. So ozone has 3 oxygen atoms and 3 oxygen atoms electronegativity is same. So then Lewis structure can be written as, so each oxygen atom once again has 6 valence electrons. Valence electrons. Now between the two oxygen atoms, a double covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of electrons. And between other two oxygen atoms, a single covalent bond is formed, so that one electron pair. And one oxygen atom donates its one single electron to another oxygen atom, so that this oxygen atom gains electron, so minus. This is loss of electron, so plus. Or it can also be written as O double bond O. And this oxygen atom, two lone pair of electrons. Next, on these oxygen atoms, 3 lone pairs of electrons and minus charge. On this one electron pair, lone pair of electron and positive charge. So this is a Lewis representation. Lewis representation of molecules. And fourth example is carbonate. CO3 2 minus ion. Carbonate. CO3 2 minus ion. Now carbonate ion in Lewis structure can be written as carbonate ion. Now among carbon and oxygen, least electronegative is carbon. So it is placed at central position. And next, oxygen are at triangular position. Now valence electrons of carbon is 4 and valence electrons of each oxygen is 6. Okay, next. Around each oxygen atom, now we distributed 6 valence electrons and around 1 carbon atom 4 valence electrons are present. Between the carbon atom and any one oxygen atom, double bond is formed. Between other two oxygen atoms, now single bond is formed. To form the single bond, one single electron is required for two oxygen atoms. So we have 2 minus on CO3. 2 minus means addition of 2 electrons. Addition of 2 electrons. So that 1 electron is added to one oxygen atom. So minus is formed. Now 1 electron is added to this oxygen atom. So 1 minus is formed. Totally in CO3, 2 minus 2 electrons are added to the total number of electrons. Carbon valence electrons 4. Oxygen valence electron is each oxygen atom valence electron is 6. We have 3 oxygen atoms, so that 3 into 6 that is 18. 18 plus carbon that is 4. So 22 plus we have to add extra 2 electrons, that is 2 minus charges. So 2 electrons extra using these electrons. So we can write CO3 2 minus structure in Lewis form, or we can also write this C single bond O minus double bond O. Two lone pairs O. 3 lone pairs minus. So this is the Lewis representation of simple molecules. Okay, next. Ionic bond. Ionic bond. Ionic bond. It is also called as electrovalent bond. Ionic bond is also called as electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond or ionic bond. So here, ionic bond is nothing but the bond formed between the two oppositely charged ions. The bond formed between two oppositely charged ions. That means the bond formed between positive charge and negative charge is called as ionic bond, or the electrostatic force of attraction between the positive ion and negative ion is called as ionic bond. So ionic bond is the electrostatic force, the electrostatic force of attraction, the electrostatic force of attraction between the positive and negative ion. Negative And this ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to the another atom. Very important. How ionic bond is formed means ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons. Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to the another atom. So it is important question. It will come for 2 marks. What is ionic bond? Or define ionic bond and then how it is formed. So ionic bond is nothing but the electrostatic force of attraction. The electrostatic force of attraction between the two oppositely charged ions, or the electrostatic force of attraction between the positive ion and the negative ion. This ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to the another atom. Let us explain formation of ionic bond by taking one example. Formation of sodium chloride. NaCl. Sodium chloride is an ionic compound or ionic salt which is formed from sodium atom and chlorine. Step 1. First one is formation of sodium ion. Na plus. To form sodium ion, sodium atom loses one electron. To form sodium ion, it loses one electron. Because sodium is an alkali metal which has only one valence electron. To attain stability of sodium, it loses its valence electron. So it is atomic number of sodium is 11. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is the electronic configuration of noble gas neon. So to attain neon configuration, sodium lost one electron. So Na plus now as configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So that is neon. Next, second one is second step, formation of chloride ion. So that means Cl minus. Chloride ion is formed by the gaining of one electron by chlorine atom. So Cl atomic number 17. To attain next nearest noble gas argon configuration, it gains one electron to form Cl minus. Now Cl minus is the configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 or argon configuration. So here chlorine, neon, NaCl. Now between the sodium ion and chloride ion, Na plus and Cl minus, electrostatic force of attraction exists to form sodium chloride. So gaseous sodium ion attracted with the gaseous chloride ion to form ionic compound Na plus Cl minus. So like this, between Na plus and Cl minus, now ionic bond or electrovalent bond is existed. So formation of sodium chloride is an example for ionic bond formation.